What up, though? Adrian from Detroit with beingthechange.llc.com, here to give you chapter 6 of our Wealth Creation Tips Today series. Let's jump right into it. Building Wealth from Nothing, Chapter 6, The Secrets of Understanding, How to Create Wealth in Your Life with Contracting. Let's get right in. Now, tasking yourself with everything is a bad thing. You can't do it all. As much as you may think you are the best, there's someone out there that can do a better job than you once you found that solution. So it's your job to make sure that the solution can be accessed by everyone in your market. It's not about your ego. And it's not about what you are passionate about. It's all about the market. It really doesn't care about your passions. So now that you have your business running with the right systems and processes in place, it's time to move on and reap what you sow. Now, there are two likely paths you're going to face at this point. You can either sell your business or cash in. This is the acquisition moment that someone buys your solution that you spent those years building from the ground up for. Now, regardless of which path you choose, keep it or sell it, remember that starting a business is the only beginning of your journey. It's only the beginning. It's up to you to see it through. Now, for most of us, money is just a piece of paper or it's numbers that are on a screen, okay? That its value is only backed up by our belief in its value. From the very start, this was never about money, never. Paying off the mortgage, buying your dream car, of course, traveling around the world. Never having to worry about your financial situation. It's the freedom that you were looking for. That's what you want. Your destination wasn't anything monetary related. It was a feeling, a sensation, and you achieved it. So now I ask you, what was it all for anyway? I mean, really? The ability to do what you want, whenever you want, without ever having the thought, can I afford this? Have I used up all my holidays for the year? How am I going to pay my rent next month? Oh my gosh, will I be able to live off my pension at an old age? What dreams do I have to sacrifice because I can't afford to pursue them? The most important lesson from this video series, friends, is that it was never about the nature of money. Never about the nature of money. It was about the one valuable resource that we all have, the one resource we'll never, ever reclaim: time. Break the cycle. Get up, go to work, come home, watch a little Netflix, go to sleep, repeat. Break the cycle, guys. It's like Groundhog Day, without Bill Murray's charm. It's just literally, if you're fine with that reality, you choose your path. If working a 9 to 5, 40 hours a week, 2-week vacations, then that's you. No worries. Choice is yours, but the most you got from this video series was just maybe a little entertainment and a change of perspective. Now, those that understand the other side, that have that desire to never need or worry about money ever again. And so I feel the need to remind you, stop chasing money, chase problems, and find a solution to those problems. That concludes Wealth Tip Series Chapter 6. Watch our final Chapter 7 coming up next, How to Create Wealth in Your Life, the Capstone chapter. Wealth and travel, educational, and additional resources are available to you at cccelevateyou.com, rudyratings.com. Please subscribe to our travel blog as well as our blog, beingthechangellc.com as well. And here's our resource page. But again, we're here to provide this information so that you can obtain the goals and dreams that you're looking for. But it's not hard, but it's not easy. The road to success is up to you. Continue to be the change in the community. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this chapter series. Hopefully you got something. Leave comments below. Please subscribe to our channel as we're providing wealth and educational resources for you. Be the change in your community. Thank you.